welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, darlings. Happy 2021. We made it. I made it. I can't believe it. I have my hair in cornrows. Yes, look, my darlings. You'll see it later on in further episodes because I do intend to cornrow my hair all year long. I just want to give my hair rest, you know. This is the first episode of 2021. I am actually filming the 1st of January. I'll have to edit it and all of that, so I don't know when it will come up, but you know, it's the first episode of the year. And for some reason, I just wanted to start with skin. Wash away, cleanse, detox, get it all out. So we are starting with Fenty Skin. I live for it. Fenty Skin is now in England. I live in the UK, for those of you that do not know. And Fenty Skin came in late December of last year. I love to say last year when it comes to 2020. I love to say it's in the past. Not to say miracles, you understand me, are going to jump out of our hearts for 2021. But just to know that whew, we got out. So yes, so we're going to try Fenty skincare in this episode. She has 3 products. It's a 3-step skincare routine, and these are the products. She has what you call a cleanser, makeup remover. She has a fat water, which is also a serum and toner, and then she has a moisturizer, which is this one, an SPF. So let me put everything down so that we can look at each one in detail. The first step is the cleanser, and you just add a little bit of water. Let me just bring it closer to you guys. Put a little bit of water in your hands, mix it, and then just, you know, lather your face. And it's supposed to be absolutely fantastic in removing makeup. When you turn it at the bottom, it's a twist. I love. See? And it just stands like this on your bathroom table. And the color is absolutely gorgeous, lavender. This retails for £20 here in England. You can get it at Boots, and it's a beauty store as well. Turning out to be like Sephora because it holds Huda Beauty, it holds so many beauty products, Benefit, so many beauty products at Boots. And that is the house for Fenty Beauty as well now as Fenty Skin. So you can get this, my darlings, at Boots, online or in store. Hubby got this for me. I was so happy. He just went to go and get some diapers for Adrian at Boots, and he saw the Fenty Skin and he was like, oh Fumi, they have it here, let me get it for you, da 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 da. And he gave it to me in the morning. I was so happy and surprised. I thought, you know what, let us film. It doesn't come in a case or in a box or anything. It only has like a little strip on the side which you strip off, and then you have the component right there. So let us start with that, shall we? So we click, da da da, that's it, it's open. We turn it around and voila. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Yes, I think that's enough. And then I'm just going to put that out, turn it back on, close it, finish, put this back right here, and look at it. Let me just turn it for you guys. That's what it looks like. All right, so we should put this on the face. Let's put this on the face. It smells absolutely beautiful. I see why you would use it as a makeup remover. It's thick, and I can just feel it dissolving and removing the oils from my face. Let me add a little water. And it smells like raspberries and coconut. That's the scent. How I know this, to be specific, is because I read it there in the description. Oh, self-care, so important. And apparently all of her products are 2-in-1, and they all are supposed to work together because they're a marriage. Like Ula and I, We work very well together. All right, sweets, so let me rinse this off and I'll be right back. Yes. Pat dry. I will say this, my skin doesn't feel dry. There's a lot to be said about a lot of face washes. It can make your skin feel very tight. I don't feel that with this. I feel clean. I feel very squeaky clean. Yes, I do. All right, and the second step is what you call fat water. This also retails for £20. You can also get it at Boots. It's got that clickety effect. And this, my darlings, is a toner as well as a serum. So let's turn it over. Oh, beautiful. Voila. And we just take it and apparently just put it all over your face and let the skin drink it all in. Oh. Calming, cooling. They call it fat water because of the serum, because the serum is a thicker consistency, but at the same time it gives the skin replenishment and more, and you just press it in. This is unique to me. I've never done this before, where I just pressed in the moisture. Oh, it feels fantastic. It really does feel fantastic. Let's read a little bit about it. A 2-in-1 toner serum combo that targets pores and improves the look of dark spots, brightens, smooths, fights shine, all without stripping the skin. Pores look smaller, skin looks clearer, darker spots are less visible, instantly reduces oil and keeps you from looking shiny all day. I'm loving its unique thick texture, absorbs instantly. That it did. I loved that. No cotton pads needed. Smells like sweet blend of cherry and sun-kissed fig. Well, okay. It does smell nice. All right, while I'm here, let me tell you what it says about the cleanser. Okay, so this is the cleanser. That was the step 1. Removing it all is a breeze. We're talking long wear makeup plus oil, dirt, pollution. Feel good formula transforms from a cream to a decadent lather and won't strip your skin or dry out. That was true. Purifies pores and helps fight shine long after you've rinsed off. Made with an antioxidant packed Barbados. Cherry and coconut inspired cleansers to treat your skin. Smells like cherries and coconut. Okay, and then the third, which is the third step. This is the HYDROVISOR and this is the refillable. So you just take this out and you get a refill, which I think is super smart. All of them is still with this click. So you just click it in and then you click it open, click it in, click it open. This is SPF. Even women of color need SPF. And it is also a moisturizer. This retails for £32. Let me just double check here because I have my side notes. I don't want to give you the wrong information. Yes, it retails for £32. And light as air, all day hydration meets universal SPF 30 protection. Pink tinted cream applies invisibly on the skin tones. We are talking zero chalkiness because you know SPF can leave like a white overcast. Apparently this doesn't. We're going to find out in a minute. Plays well with makeup. It absorbs instantly to smooth and soften skin without looking or feeling greasy. Plus it won't pile or ball up. No flashback either. Boosts and brightens skin too, making pores, fine lines and wrinkles less visible. Reduces the tone of dark spots. the plush texture of fresh dessert melon scent, which will make you want to apply every day. Sleek, refillable packaging. I'm living for this. Let us try, my darlings. So here we have it. We're going to turn it over. And that's what it looks like. Alrighty. Light pink. And we're going to put this in. Smells beautiful. What did they say it smelled like again? Ah, fresh desert melon scent. Oh. Well, they're right about one thing. There's no overcast and there's no white residue, because that would come up on my skin right away. I love this. I love this. I love the way it makes my skin feel. Oh. Washed 2020 out of me. Ah. Yes. It smells beautiful. Oh, delicious. And Ula also got the night cream, and you can click this open right here. It has like the little spatula. Let's take this out, and you're supposed to use this at night. So you open it up like so, and this is the cream, and then you can just take a little bit like so, and just put that in like so, and just moisturize. This is the box for the moisturizer. There you go. Instant Reset Overnight Recovery Oil Cream. If I was traveling, and I hope I do so, I hope I start to travel again in 2021, I would take these with me. I absolutely would take these with me, because I don't have to think about it. The scents are not overwhelming at all. I was worried about that, but the scents are not overwhelming, and my skin feels supple. It feels nourished, moisturized, hydrated. It feels like it drank a glass of water. You know, that is how I feel with this. Naturally, with skincare products, it's going to take a while for you to see any kind of results. So I'm going to revisit this situation in a couple of weeks for you. Of the three, the HYDROVISOR. This, yummy, yummy. I don't know what it is, but I live for this. I love how my skin felt. I love the moisturizer. I love how what it did for my oily skin, that I felt instantly. And the fact that it has SPF, that's a biggie, because as you get older, you realize skincare is top care. So I like this a lot. The face wash, nice too. I like the fact that they are 2-in-1. So basically, you're buying 3 products, but you have 6 juicy care products that are treating your skin. I like that. I like that a lot. I will take this with me. I'll take all of these 3. I like the fact that they are spill proof, that it's just click and you're gone. So it's not that you have to open your usual toner with a cotton pad. You know, we're saving the earth here, you know, and you can go. Love that. So Fenty Beauty, if you are asking me, is this FDV approved when it comes to packaging, when it comes to product? Yes! It is FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. I'm living for this. And I hope that you guys absolutely try it out. I got the refillables. I got the refillable in the moisturizer SPF. And for the night cream, I got the refillable as well. Let me tell you what the price point is. The moisturizers retail for $32. The cleanser, the makeup remover wash, and the toner and the serum retail for £20 each. So that's what you got. And I think the price point is good. It is not expensive at all. It is kind of sort of affordable. You have the refillable, so once you feel like, okay, this is my thing, my go-to, especially for the moisturizers are the only ones that come in refillables actually. Once you feel comfortable with that, you can go ahead and just buy the refillable, which I think I will do, because until I feel different, this is a must-have. Let me pull this out for you guys. This is what the refill looks like. Voila. Let me turn it around so that you guys can see. That's the refill for the HYDROVISOR. This is the SPF moisturizer. And this one, darlings, retails for £28 for the refill. And then again, like I said, you just click it in like so. And it's so easy. You twist it and then it pops back up. So you twist it and it pops back up. When it pops up, you take it out, you refill this, and that's it. Put it back in, bam, bam, bam. There you go, and that's it. So guys, what can I say? Enjoy this year. I think last year was for us to have a reset. It was for all of us to reset all of our buttons. I think we've done that, where we now look back upon reflection on what's important. And I am here in 2021, gingerly stepping into 21 with so much gratitude, because we lost so many last year. Life is very short. Focus on what you want in life. Mind your business. Be with family, close loved ones, and do what you gotta do. That's all you have time for. Everything else is noise. Okay, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and I will try and do much more talk throughs and more episodes. Okay, sweetheart, I love you guys. So good to be back. We made it. We made it. Fenty Skin. Yes. Yes.
It's been so long I can't remember your taste now, and the weight of your touch. It's been so long I can't remember what it felt like to drown in your love. It's like I've been walking here